I even brought my sickness syringe. What do you call it? Huh? I sure did. I learned my lesson in them 2 days. I could breathe fine in the house, but the boat we outside. Go ahead. You got your purchase? Where you put it? Oh, right there. Okay, I see it. Thank you. Where you want me to move my car? Okay. I'm coming out. Y'all, you hear my voice. Y'all hear my voice. It's the same week. I'm on this vlogging thing, okay? From the last clip where I went to see Beyonce, I think that was a Wednesday. Sure was. It was a Wednesday. Well, today's Sunday, y'all, and I catch a cold. Me and my best friend catched a cold, okay? From that Wednesday, I spoke, sat down, gave you my review on Beyonce. We was sick out here, but you know what? Let's continue this conversation when we get in the car, because I have to move my car. My car is just full of Starbucks. Y'all, Beyonce got me and my best friend sick. Me and her been thugging it out via Facebook. Legit. But was it worth it? It sure was. It sure was, y'all. It sure was. Let me switch my seat, because I got my husband sick, y'all. I'm on day 4, he on day 3. We didn't know I was sick, that's why. But we in this, we all in this together. Once we know what I know. But you know what? The sickness won't stop us. Not that we're gonna have another party, because there ain't no other reason why they got all these cars. We have a neighbor in our neighborhood stay having parties, but these houses are so well made that if it wasn't for the cars lined up outside, you would have never known they're having a party. The house be on, everybody on mute. Yeah, that's what the house is giving. Okay, that's what the house is giving. But right now we're gonna have a little picnic, even though it's hot. Where's my phone? Don't tell me that. No, I know I came out with it. And here, got it. Look. Over top j'aime. Don't laugh. At least, you know, you asked me pendant I'm sweaty, you know? You're gonna have my favorite Chinese food. Look at decor.
She goes on Sundays.
Who?
The Chinese lady.
I don't know. Does she?
I don't know. I feel like she does.
I feel like she do too. You know what? Let's check. Because I don't want to drive out there.
And you said I love her restaurant, so.
You want to just go to her? Okay. Let's see. Is it China King? China Taste. Oh, you see, even my Jeep is closed. Okay. It opens tomorrow. Bro, and it's like 20 minutes away. Oh my god. Yeah, they closed. Yeah.
Everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. Feelings when they swing like Django Lover. Feelings when they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young cast, last. Now everybody go chop breakfast. I have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.
This is the best of the look. I probably shouldn't even be wearing this wig. Y'all hear this voice? The voice is not disappearing. Like, I'm still sad. That's so sad. I'm still sick. Like, my edges not done on the wig. I ain't even lay it. How am I showing up on YouTube? Child. So, I'm still recovering from this flu-like cold. But I'm feeling way better than my husband. My husband, he really holding on to a thread. So today is a reset day for me. That means I'm gonna cook, I'm going to clean, set my plans out for the next 3 days, which is a lot of content and things I'm planning for September. I'm trying to be on my P's and W's or T's and Q's, however they say it, okay? So I was gonna cook breakfast, but it's too late. Me and him been up on and off sleep all night. I finally slept in this morning. I had to sleep around like 4 or 5 a.m. Yeah, woke up around like 9:30. So it's 11:42. He went back to sleep because he couldn't sleep at all. So yeah, so let me just take y'all along. I got some new pieces for my couch. I'm vibing. Now I did buy some new pillowcases for this pillow. Why my dumb self ordered 1 pillowcase, not 2? So I think I'm gonna just buy 2 whole new pillows altogether because I can't even zip these up and just call it a day. I'ma just do it, bump it. I'm gonna do it just to have everything come together. I have to finish cleaning this couch. This accent chair today with my vacuum cleaner. And yeah, we're just gonna do deep cleaning, a good cook, so when he wake up, he finds some food. And yeah, the house is a mess. Everything is a mess because I've been sick. He's been sick. And I just feel like I need a fresh start. My guest room, I slept in it the other night. And it's a hot mess because I was in there rolling around, everything. Because I was trying not to get him sick, but he ended up sick anyway. So let's set the vibes. So let's start cleaning. Today I'm going to be wearing my cream butterfly clip to hold my hair up. You can purchase it now. The link is below. Okay. I really actually live by these clips. I wear them myself. I want to be selling something I don't use. So light some candles, have some fresh air going. I'm going to turn on the AC. It's pretty warm outside, so hopefully I have enough energy to work out and walk today. I did a workout Saturday morning. I did some upper workout. Even though I was sick, that was the only thing I had energy for. After that, I crashed. But I'm on a weight loss journey. So, you gotta do what you gotta do, okay? I lost
but I need you now. Yeah. I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to get set. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other one.
Yeah. What they say? Yeah. Il fait mal toujours, but il va même genre, c'est même qui toujours bouché. Like Haitian people, because I'm not gonna say Caribbean people. Haitian people love like ripe plantains, and I'm the only one in my family who's not really a fan of ripe plantains. Like I like it fresh, like fresh off the oven, fried, somewhat boiled, but I'm not really a fan of ripe. Not ripe, but like green plantains. I love the sweet ones, so I only get this kind, of course, and I couldn't wait till that's me being comfortable, but I couldn't wait till I was older to be in my house and be like, I'm gonna make all the sweet plantains, all the sweet fried plantains that I want. Because here I am, peeling my sweet plantains like my mother used to, and I'm just on the phone with her a second ago trying to give me more home remedies that I should be doing to cure the cold I have. I don't have a flu but the cold. And then my mom called me back, and my sister, did you do this, did you do that? My aunt, my little cousin, my other cousin, did you do this, did you do that? And I'm like, y'all, if you knew how much effort I'm putting right now just to even make a full-on meal, and y'all asked me to do too much, okay?